Have you ever wondered how digital marketing experts navigate the intricate world of SEO, Google Ads, social media strategies, and more? Today, we're going to unravel the mystery that is the digital marketing course. We'll be exploring everything from the basics for beginners to the most advanced strategies, all the way to creating your own online course and starting a digital marketing agency. Firstly, we'll dive into the basics of what digital marketing is. Think of it as a vast ocean, teeming with different species. Each species represents a different aspect of digital marketing, from SEO to social media, email marketing to content creation, and much more. Understanding this ecosystem is the first step towards mastering the art of digital marketing. Next, we'll delve into the complete digital marketing course. This involves a detailed exploration of each aspect of digital marketing, from learning how to optimize a website for search engines, crafting compelling content, to mastering the art of social media engagement. The Digital Marketing Full Course is an all-encompassing journey that will equip you with all the skills you need to navigate the digital marketing ocean. Now, you might be wondering, how can I get the Google Digital Marketing course for free? The answer is simple. Google offers a free online course known as Google Digital Garage. This course is a treasure trove of knowledge, offering insights into everything from the basics of digital marketing to the most advanced techniques. Enrolling in the Google Digital Marketing course is as simple as creating a Google account and signing up on the Digital Garage website. But what if you want to create your own digital marketing online course? Well, that's where your mastery of the digital marketing course comes into play. Once you've mastered the various aspects of digital marketing, you can create your own course. This not only allows you to share your knowledge with others, but also provides an additional revenue stream. Finally, we'll discuss how to start a digital marketing agency. This is where your digital marketing journey reaches its apex. Starting an agency requires not just a deep understanding of digital marketing, but also business acumen, leadership skills, and a knack for spotting trends. So, let's summarize what we've covered today. We started by understanding what digital marketing is. Then, we explored the complete digital marketing course, which covers everything from SEO to social media. We also discussed how to enroll in the Google Digital Marketing course for free and how to create your own digital marketing online course. And finally, we looked at how to start a digital marketing agency. Remember, the world of digital marketing is constantly evolving. The strategies that work today might not work tomorrow, but with a solid foundation of knowledge, a willingness to learn, and a dash of creativity, you can navigate the waves of change and make a splash in the world of digital marketing.